Okay, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Learning AutoCAD with your host Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Awaluddin. So for today, we are going to learn more about the modification panel, which is over here. So we are going to learn about all these 9 commands. Okay, so here we have a default rectangle, which I drew before this. So let's look at the first modification. So first is move. As it mentions, it just moves the objects which you specify. So let's click on this and let's choose this rectangle. And then press space to activate it. So you can specify your base point, which you want to move it. So you can specify the center of your movement. So let's just choose the center of these rectangles. And now we can move it wherever we want. So that's for move. Second is for rotate. So as it says, it rotates the object which you chose. So let's click on that rectangle again. Press space to activate it and set your base point. So let's pick the middle again. And now you can rotate your object however you like. So next is for trim. So how trim works actually. First, let's draw a line at the midpoint of this rectangle. Let's say I would like to cut this rectangle in half, meaning I would just like, let's say, the top of the rectangle. So when you already set the line where you want to cut your rectangle, just click on the trim, choose the objects which you want to involve in the trim. Then press space to activate the trim. And now you can choose the objects which you want to delete, which intersects all places, and you can choose which side to delete. So since I want to keep the top part, I'll just need to click on this, and then press escape. Since I would just want to keep the top part of the rectangle, all these unnecessary lines, we can just delete it. So that is for trim.